loves. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing mini twists. I have to keep them in for 2 months. So yeah, I recently cut my hair. I cut about 3 to 4 inches, and I'm trying to grow back my hair fuller and thicker than it was before because it had started thinning out because of stress and other things. So today I'll be doing twists. I'll be adding beads because I want to keep them in for at least 2 months, if not at least 6 weeks, because I am trying to retain as much length as possible. So my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, and now I'm going to install the twists. I want them a little bit thicker, not really thicker, I want them a little bit bigger. Yes, I want them a little bit bigger because I plan on keeping them in longer than I usually do. So I started already, and this is how they are looking. I know the lines are not that straight, but let's work with that because my hair will be, once I spray it with water, it's going to shrink up, it will become fuller, and the lines won't actually show. So I'm going to be showing you how I'll be doing them. I'm not going to take so many clips of me doing twists because I have videos on my channel of me doing the twists. So I'm just going to show you a little bit. I'll focus on the front part of my hair because that's what I want you to see, and also how I put the beads so that you can learn how to do that. And I'm also on a journey to grow back my edges. This is how my edges are looking. Yeah, they were actually really bad. I'm going to make another video of what I've been doing, the routine, and I'll show you once I am done with this journey because it will be done in 2 months time. I want to show you how my edges will be. So this is what we're working with. Yeah, I destroyed my edges, I know, but we are here to fix that. So anyway, let's get straight into the video. am done plaiting my hair, and I have put in some of the beads. My phone battery is low. I hoped to show you the whole process of me putting the beads in, but then my phone is low, so I have to get this done as quickly as I can so that I can go and charge my phone. But so what I do is I use this, I don't know what you call it, but a crochet hook, my beads. So I do not have enough beads with me, so I am only putting one bead per twist. Only the front has two, like you can see, but the rest of my hair will have one bead per twist because I do not have enough beads. Hopefully when I get some tomorrow, I can redo this if I'll have the energy. But yeah, so you're going to put your bead through your crochet hook, and then you are going to get your twist like that. So this is the twist that I'll be putting in. So you just hook it like that. Sorry. Okay, so you're just going to hook it like that, and then pull the bead up, pull the twist out of the hole. So like that, your bead will be in your twist. And then you're going to just pull it almost to the end, fold. Yes, like that. You're just going to fold, and then this is according to what you prefer. Other people prefer the rubber band method, so other people put or secure this with a rubber band, but for me I use thread. Thread makes or helps me to keep the beads in longer. Beads will rubber bands, sorry, will often snap. Yeah, so once they snap, your beads will start to fall out. So I prefer using the threading cotton because it makes sure that my bead is secure until when I'm ready to pull it, to take down the hairstyle. And when I'm ready, I just apply some leave-in conditioner to this part and then just slide the cotton through, and then the bead is out. So yeah, when I am done, I'm just going to cut the excess threading wool like that. And then if you're using one bead, you're going to have the gamma hair remaining like that. You're going to have that hair remaining. So what you're going to do, you're going to wrap it around your cotton or the knot that you've made. Yeah, you're going to wrap it around, and yeah, so there you have it. Your bead is secure. And trust me, even if you keep your hair for months, it's going to remain that way. So now I'm just going to put in the rest of the beads, and I'm going to let you watch the process.